Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're a Notion user who loves keeping things organized and visually appealing, this tutorial is definitely for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize the icons and emojis in your Notion pages. By the end of this video, you'll know how to personalize your workspace with unique icons that not only look great, but also help you instantly recognize your pages. So let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about how Notion lets you add icons to pretty much anything: pages, databases, lists, and more. Whenever you create a new page, you'll see a little Add Icon button right up top. Go ahead and click that. You'll see a set of built-in emojis and icons you can choose from. If you want something quick and simple, picking an emoji from here is a great start. Maybe a book emoji for your reading list, a money bag for budgeting, or whatever fits the theme of your page. But that's just the beginning. Let's walk through the process of customizing your icons so your Notion really pops. To start, let's create a new page. Just hit the New Page button, type in a title, and your fresh canvas is ready. Now, go back to your main workspace and you'll see your new page listed there. Notice the empty icon spot on the page? Let's give it some personality. Click on the page's icon spot, and now we get to choose how we want to customize it. Maybe you want something a little more unique than a default emoji or icon. Here's where it gets fun and powerful. Open up your browser and head to Notion VIP/icons. This is an awesome resource packed with hundreds of stylish icons, designed specifically for Notion. If your Notion setup uses dark mode, like many of us do, go ahead and toggle the site to dark mode so you can see exactly how your icons will look against a darker background. It's such a simple thing, but it makes a huge difference when previewing your choices. Take your time scrolling through the icons here. Maybe you want a sleek folder, a calendar, or a custom graphic that matches your workflow. When you find one that speaks to you, just click on it, then hit copy. This part is pretty quick, and don't worry if you're not sure. A lot of these icons are free to swap out later, so you can experiment as much as you like. Jump back to your Notion page. Click on the Upload button in the Icons section. Now, simply paste. Using Ctrl+V if you're on Windows or Command+V on Mac, the icon you copied earlier. Notion will preview your icon, and once you're happy with it, press Save. Just like that, your custom icon is now live on your page. It may take a second to show up, especially if your internet is a bit slow, so don't worry if it hangs for a moment. The best part is, you can repeat this process for any of your pages, or even databases, across Notion. Customize as many icons as you want to really make your workspace your own. Try using different themes, or matching colors to your layouts. Over time, your visual memory will make navigating your pages so much easier, and that's all there is to it. Customizing your icons and emojis in Notion is straightforward and brings a whole new layer of personality and clarity to your workspace. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or icon ideas you have in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy customizing!